So in today's video we are in Buckinghamshire and we have just completed this Napoleon Oasis outdoor kitchen, which is actually part of a much bigger complete garden and house renovation. In today's video I'm going to be talking you through the kitchen. I'll give you a little tour of the garden as well. So the spec on this one was to have an L-shaped kitchen, like I said before, as part of a wider renovation. And what I'll do is I'll talk about that later on at the end of the video. I'll walk around and show you a few of the things. There are some really cool features in this whole project. It's absolutely incredible. But from our point of view, he wanted an L-shaped kitchen. He had the Kamado Joe over there already. He wanted to have a gas grill, a really good quality gas grill, and also integrate an oven as well, which is a first for us. So we went back and forth with some ideas, and the one that he liked the most was the Napoleon outdoor kitchen. These are powder coated aluminium frames, and then they're stainless steel drawers and doors. There's different units that you can get. So there are universal cupboards, there's tank drawers, there's drawer units, kitchen roll holders, bins and things like that. So we've tried to integrate as many of those as we can into this. I'll start down this end here. So here we've got a stainless steel sink and tap. It's got a draining board in there. Obviously the draining board doesn't go down into the unit, so you can have this double one. Normally we just put like a single bowl in there. Here you've got a universal cupboard. You've got all your utilities, your services, your water, your waste. Those are fed from in the garden room that's in there. Next to that you've got a triple drawer unit. So this is simply a 3-drawer unit for holding all of your bits and pieces in. They're big drawers, 600 mil wide. They're about 150, 200 mil deep, so plenty of space in there for keeping all your bits and pieces. Here we've got the Napoleon stainless steel outdoor fridge. So you can see just by looking at it, that is fully loaded, full of drinks, lots and lots of space in there to keep your drinks and your food cold. So this is a first for us. We've never done this before. So this is just a standard indoor oven. It's an induction hob on the top. The customer wanted some hobs on there to be cooked different things and an oven as well. This is not outdoor rated, but I think given the location, it's really well covered here. I think it'll be okay out here and should last. I'll be interested to see in a few years if it's still working okay. This here is a kitchen roll holder, and then underneath that is a pull-out bin. Really important to have both of those things. You're always cleaning, you're always throwing stuff away, so really good to have those. This beast is a Komado Joe. This is I think it's called the Big Joe or the Extra Big Joe, something like that. I mean, this is ginormous. So this is a Komado oven. It's a smoker similar to the monoliths that we do. It runs on charcoal. It's really good for slow cooking, smoking, but also good for direct cooking as well. Before, in previous builds on these kitchens that we've done, we've just taken one of these units and then customize it, cut it down and put the monolith on there. Because this one is so big, what we used here is actually an undergrill unit. So this undergrill unit is for a Napoleon 500, which is a barbecue that's slightly smaller than this, and it's got the drawers like this. So this used to look like that, and all we've done is customized it, reinforced it underneath so that you've got the drawer underneath and then the Kamado goes on top. It's really important that you do reinforce it because these are really heavy. Coming along to here, this is the Napoleon Prestige Pro 665. So this is a 7-burner gas grill. It's completely stainless steel. You've got all the lights on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 main burners. You've got an infrared back burner there, and you've got a little tray here that you can put wood chips in, flavored wood chips, and it's got a burner for that as well. So you could smoke your food while you're cooking it and infuse some more flavor. This here, the customer just showed me, this is actually really cool. So this is just a stainless steel, almost like a teppanyaki hot plate that he's got on Amazon. He's put that in there. He can now do, you know, breakfast and eggs and prawns. It's just another flat surface for cooking on, but I thought that was actually a really good idea. We've not seen one of those on any of our barbecues before. For the worktops on this This is a black granite. I think it might be Absoluto. It's 20 mil thick. It's a polished finish, which I prefer. I prefer the polished to the honed. You can see we've also put waterfalls down the edges, down this end and down there, which I really like. It encloses everything and just finishes it off nicely. You can see also that we've got a splashback running all the way around as well. So let's run through like some of the rest of the garden, because this really is like super, super cool. So over here, obviously you've got the hot tub there. That's a huge hot tub, 6-8 people. They are going to have a dining table and chairs where they can eat once they've cooked everything. Up here, you've got the heaters there, and you've got the heaters over there as well. Everything runs on Alexa as well. So all of the heaters can be turned on with Alexa. All of the garden lights as well. I'll talk about those in a minute. You've got the TV up here, so you can be sat in the hot tub watching the football, the rugby. So this whole garden room's been built as well. So this is like a hit and miss composite cladding. So this is getting really popular now. It comes in lots of different colors. You get the sort of the woody colors, teak, but then they've got like the graphites, the grays and things like that. So they're really, really good. Very low maintenance on those. You can see the lights everywhere. So you've got all these spotlights, these downlights in here. You've got speakers in there. They've got LED strip lighting running all the way around there. And then when you turn around and look under here, you've got all these festoon lights here. And then on the walls, you've got these long, I don't know what you call it, kind of like a strip light, but they're super, super cool. So that then brings you out into the garden area here. So down here, you've got this awesome fire pit, which will seat 15, 18 people. Everything's been clad in the same, these are sort of, I think these are 900 or meter by meter porcelain tiles. Everything has been clad with that. You've got the contrasts of like the black tiles, the border tiles around there, which matches the granite on the kitchen, and it matches the granite on the fire pit down there. Here you've got this incredible pool. The cover will come on and off, and the cover apparently you can have quite a few people walking on it. It's really, really safe. It's really good. So you've got a sun lounger over there. I think that's just temporary. In that corner over there, there's going to be a corner sofa as well. There is still a bit more work to do here, but you can really get the feel of what it's going to be like. And then come in here as well. So this is a garden room, but it's now actually, it's going to be an outdoor bar. I mean, this is just super cool. It's kind of Art Deco-y, really good. So I'm not sure what material this is. It came from Italy, and you've got the LED lights underneath it. It's 20 mil thick, and they've mited it all so that it looks about 100 mil thick. I'm not sure what this material is there. It's got a sort of metallic-y finish. You can see the wallpaper over there. It's got these wavy lines to it. You've got this awesome circular piece there to match the worktop. They're going to have some glass shelves along there to put the, you know, the booze and things on. Behind you over there, you've got a log burner. So that's an actual log burner that works really well. And then you've got the massive TV there. So I hope you've enjoyed watching that video and enjoyed the tour of the garden. It's an absolutely incredible space. I'd love to have somewhere like this to hang out every evening, every day with my friends and family. It's got all of the bases covered. If you want to see another video like this, we'll leave a link up here. We try and post these videos about once a week just to give you some ideas and inspiration if you're thinking about having an outdoor kitchen. We do have Facebook and we have Instagram as well, where we post regularly every week showing you what we're currently up to. So thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.